everyone, this is Amr. And you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Tech Glitch. Today we are going to see the major astronomical bodies. So, let's start our journey. Asteroid are small, rocky objects that orbit the star. Although they orbit the Sun like planets, but they are not considered as planets due to their size and some other properties. They are much smaller than planets. They probably consist of clay and silicate rocks, and are dark in appearance. They are among the most ancient objects in the solar system. In our solar system, sometimes they get into the Earth's gravitation and fall on Earth. It is estimated that probably 500 meteorites reach the Earth's surface. Natural satellites. An astronomical body that orbits a planet, dwarf planet, or small solar system body. Dwarf planet are too small to be considered. For example, Eris, Ceres, etc. Haumea. Moon is also considered a natural satellite. It revolve around planets. Moon around Earth is 50 planets. In simple word, planets are a large object that orbit around star. They are smaller than stars, and they do not make light. In our solar system there are 8 planets. And somehow Pluto is also considered as planet, because it obeys maximum laws of planets. Star. Stars are born within the clouds of dust and scattered throughout most galaxies. It is an astronomical massive object that consists of a luminous spheroid held together by its own gravity. Star shines by radiation, derived from its internal energy sources, and spread in space. There are tens of billions of trillions of stars in the observable universe, and only a very small percentage are visible to the naked eye, which can see in the night sky. The only star in our solar system is Sun. Nebula. In simple word we can say, birthplace of stars is called nebula. It is an enormous cloud of dust and gas and acting as a nursery for new stars. Because the clouds of gas and dust condense to form baby stars. Some nebulae come from the gas and dust thrown out by the explosion of a dying star, such as a supernova. And other are regions where new stars are beginning to form. Galaxy. It is a system of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter, gravitationally bounded to each other. There are approximately 2 million galaxies in the universe. There are 3 main types of galaxies: elliptical, spiral, and irregular. We are living in Milky Way galaxy. It's called a spiral galaxy, due to its shape that makes spiral when we look far from it. Black hole. A black hole is a region of space and time, where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape from it. Even particles, or electromagnetic radiation such as light, are unable to escape from it. They are made up of the remnants of a large star that dies in a supernova explosion. In 1916, Albert Einstein first predicted the existence of black holes, and then Stephen Hawking completed his research on black holes. The unicorn lies a mere 1,500 light-years from us, and is just 3 times more massive than the Sun. Observable universe. The observable universe is a ball-shaped region of the universe comprising all matter that can be observed. It includes galaxies, supernova, black holes, and small objects such as planets and asteroids. Its radius is 46.508 billion light-years. All the stars, planets and galaxies that can be seen today make up just 4% of the actual universe. The other 96% is made of stuff astronomers can't see, detect or even comprehend. Thanks for watching.